Okay, on my desktop I've got this folder, and inside this folder I've got this one video clip which I've downloaded from the Pexels website. I'll put a link to that video clip in the YouTube description. Let's go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. I've got a blank project set up here, so I'm just going to drag and drop this video clip onto the timeline. After I've dragged and dropped it onto the timeline, I'm going to click on the video clip, and inside the effects here I'm going to type in grid, G-R-I-D, grid. Let's take the grid function and drag and drop that onto the video clip itself. And now you'll see the grid options inside here. You can see the grid options inside here. The corner point, I'm going to set it to width and height in sliders, like here. Right, you're going to see some change here. We're going to scroll down, and we want to set the blend mode to normal. So now we can see that we've got transparency. We can see through on the grid, but you can see there's way too many. So the width we want to set it to 1920, and then the height we want to set it to 1080. Right, but now we've got this line that kind of draws in the middle here, so we don't want that. We want to set the anchor point here to 0 and set the other one to 0 here. So set them both to 0. Now you've got this thin white border around the edge. You can leave it like that, or you can change the color now and change the size. The border size is here, so you can increase the border size. Let's say, for example, we set it to something like 100, and then the color, you can use the color picker tool, and you could pick a specific color, maybe like the green from this truck. It's kind of a blue sort of shade there at the moment, so we can click on the color picker tool and we can pick out maybe a green sort of color. Now you've got that green border, or you can just click on the tool here and you can go and pick a specific color that you like, maybe for the border, maybe like a dark sort of red color, something like this. So now we've got a border working directly in Premiere Pro, and it's very easy to do. And then you can go and change the colors and change the thickness just by adjusting the settings here directly inside Premiere Pro. So that's how I add a border to a video clip using Adobe Premiere Pro. Nice and easy tutorial for you. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Let's go ahead and close this folder. That's the end of this tutorial showing you how to add a border in Adobe Premiere Pro to a video clip. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.